Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, this is Abdul Hamid. Welcome back to my channel. Today's I am going to share my ever-going schedule class which related with the vocabularies, and this is the third class about the vocabularies. Please let's start and stay with me until finish. First one, avid. Avid, it's a verb. It means rush power or subside or moderate. For example, the storm has started to abate. Second one, aberrant. Aberrant, it's the adjective. It means নীতিভ্রষ্ট or abnormal or deviant. For example, Shaki is aberrant, and another example is there are other aberrant groups whose fictional voice go unexamined. Third one, abeyance. It's a noun. It means মুলতবি অবস্থা or delay. And for example, the matter was left in abeyance until the next meeting. Fourth one, abscond. Abscond, it's a verb. It means run away, flee or আত্মগোপন করিয়া থাকা. And one example, you cannot abscond from your responsibilities. Fifth and last one, abstemious. Abstemious, it's the adjective and it means সংযমী. And another meaning, temperate or self-restrained. One example, I lead an abstemious life up here in the winter. It's time to head off. See you again with another video.